Hazrat Ali said about the masjid and namaz bajamat as the person who keeps on going in the masjid gets these virtues. Akhan mustafadan fillah, he gets such brother from whom he can benefit in the way of Almighty Allah. Ilman mustatarfan, knowledge from which he gets awareness. Yasma'u kalimatan tadullahu ala hudan, in the mosque he listens such thing that guides him toward the right path. Wa yatruku zamban khashyatan aw haya'an, he leaves any sin due to fear from Allah Almighty and with shame. Hazrat Ali described, if I were given the option to go to the mosque or heaven, then I'll give preference and priority to go in the mosque, because Allah Almighty will be pleased with this act, while myself will be happy to go in the paradise. A question is asked from Hazrat Ali, Man jarul masjid, who is the neighbor of mosque? He replied, Man samiyan nida, one who listens the azan. He further said, Wal jawaru arbauna daran min jawani biha, and the neighbors are 40 houses from all the sides. In Kufa, Hazrat Ali was asked, some people live in the neighborhood of masjid, but they don't attend prayer with congregation. On hearing this, Hazrat Ali replied that they should offer namaz bajamat or stay from us, don't consult and take advice from them. Hazrat Ali directed to his governor Malik, when you lead the people to pray, don't make the congregational prayer too long, because some of the people fall ill, and also don't hurry it too much. When Hazrat Ali made Muhammad bin Abi Bakr the ruler of Egypt, he also advised him about the congregational prayer. Hazrat Ali described in his letters, which he wrote different rulers of cities to lead the people to pray, which should not be heavy on the weakest of the believers.